Radial nerve comes out from posterior through triangular interval, goes through spiral groove, and then comes in front of your lateral epicondyle. Let me hide brachialis and we will see this is our radial nerve which is above our lateral epicondyle. They will give you three fractures from humerus. Number one, surgical neck fracture. Number two, lower one third fracture. And number three, supracondylar fracture of humerus. Remember, in case of surgical neck of humeral fracture, the two structure you have seen in quadrangular space, that is axillary nerve and your circumflex humeral artery will be damaged. If circumflex humeral artery is damaged, see, circumflex humeral, it goes like this, it goes like this and gives branches to humeral head. So if here we have a fracture, we will have avascular necrosis of humeral head. Okay, then if we have middle lower one third of humeral fracture, remember the closest nerve, the closest structures are two. That is arteria profunda brachii that ends almost nearly half of the humerus, and this continues. So in lower third, this is so close to the bone. See, it's just above the bone. So radial nerve will be injured. So radial nerve is very close, almost over the bone. So in lower third of humeral fracture, radial nerve will be the most common structure to be injured. Then again supracondylar fracture of the humerus. Guys, see, in case of supracondylar fracture of the humerus, see, in case of supracondylar fracture here, radial nerve is almost far away, very far. And this is the supracondylar area. And according to the displacement, we will show you that all three nerve can be injured. All three guys. What are the three? Radial, median, ulnar. Radial nerve, median nerve, and ulnar nerve. Radial is in front of your lateral epicondyle. Median is just above it, coming down. I'll show you the course. We have shown it in anatomy, still just a recap. And ulnar will be behind. Ulnar will be behind your medial epicondyle. See the gap, very close, guys, very close. And this one is our median nerve. It's coming from above and it comes close during our supracondylar area. Median nerve is the most commonly injured found in clinical practice and because of its anatomical position. Okay, so most commonly structured nerve, median.